Okay, so yesterday we worked on graphing where we were given our slope and our y-intercept. But now they're giving us the equation and they're asking us to graph them. So looking at number 13, what is m equal to? 3, but if I want it as a fraction, how do I write it as a fraction? 3 over 1, what is b equal to? Negative 3. So when I graph, where do I start? Negative 3 on the y-axis, so I go down 3, and I place a dot there. From there, I use my slope, which is 3 over 1, and we go up 3 over 1, and we keep doing that. So there is our line. Alright, let's look at number 14. M equals what on number 14?
Negative x. Negative 1 over 1.
Negative 1 over 1. What's b equal? 1. So where do I start? I go up 1, but now what?
You go down 1 and over 1.
Which way over?
Left. Right.
Right. If I'm going down, I have to go right because it has to be a negative slope. If you went down and left, you should have known that it wasn't going to be a negative slope. Okay? So there's my line. Yep. Alright, number 15. M is equal to what? 1/2. B is equal to? Negative 2. So where do I go? Down 2. Up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2.
So wouldn't we go back and go over down 1? Oh, I went the wrong way.
You could. Yep.
Okay, can we do the rest by ourselves?
Nope. Number 16. Y equals 4x minus 2. M is equal to what? 4 over 1. B is equal to? Negative 2. Where do I start? Go down 2. Then what?
Up 4 over 1.
Good. The next two I want you to try by yourself, then we're going to check them. So do 17 and 18 by yourself, then we're checking them. Alright, let's check number 17. What is M equal to?
Negative 3, 2.
Negative 3 over 2. What's B equal to?
1.
1. So where do I start?
You go up 1.
Starting at up 1, then what?
You go down 3 over 2.
So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So there's my line.
No.
Hey, number 18. M is equal to what? 2 over 3. I heard somebody. B is equal to? Negative 3. So where do I start?
Go down 3.
Down 3. Then what?
Up 2 over 3.
So there is my line. Okay? Either flip it over or turn to your notes. We got a couple extra things to add into your notes today.
Did we take notes yesterday?
Yep. Huh? Hey, so if I have a positive slope, which direction do I go first? I go up, then what? Up, then right. So if I have a positive slope, I go up, then right. Okay? I could also go down, then left. Okay, so sometimes on your graph it's not going to fit to go up then right, so you may have to go down then left. That is still a positive slope. Okay, because remember we looked at if we go down, that's a negative. If we go left, that's a negative, so negative over negative gives you a positive. Alright? So if you have a negative slope, which way do we go first when we have a negative slope? Down, then what?
Right or left? Right.
Down, then right. Or what else could you do?
Up and left.
Up, then left. Okay, so if it's a negative slope, you go down, then right, because if you go down, that would be a negative. If you go right, that's a positive, so negative over a positive gives you a negative. Okay, so if we look at some of them that we just did, if I was to look at this, we started at positive 1. It was a negative slope, so I went down 1, right 1, but I could have also went up 1, left 1, and still would have formed on my line. Okay? If you don't have a straight line, did you do it correctly?
No.
No, this is always going to create a straight line. So if you doubt where you're going, figure out if it's going to form a straight line or not. Okay? Questions on your slope on how to graph it. Hey, today